on, everybody. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. I'm here in the Aubuchon, which is our local hardware store parking lot, and my walker mower is on a job and it grenaded the idler pulley. There's a few idler pulleys on a walker mower, and the closest walker dealer from me is about an hour away, and they're closed for the holidays, I believe. But regardless, this is the actual pulley. These are usually riveted. I took all the rivets off, and here's the new bearing. Here's the old one. Basically just broke apart and all the balls fell out. So this was how you get your how your idler pulley would typically be, which just bolts on and then your belt drives on it. So what I ended up doing, because I can't get one right now and I need to get this job finished, is I drilled out the old rivets that were holding this together, which made it a two-piece. Pulled the bearing out, took my micrometer and measured the bearing size, inner and outer diameters. Went to the local parts store, got a high quality national brand replacement bearing that's the same dimensions, and then we're able to put this back together. And I'm at the Aubuchon hardware store with some rivets and my rivet gun, and we're going to go ahead and see if we can't put this together right here. This is some of the things you got to do when you're in a pinch and you can't get parts. You make your own parts. This one hole is a little messed up. It's the first one I pick. Let's go to this one. There we go. And riveted back together. So let's go ahead and pop all new rivets in this. And there's only two, but we're going to put all the rest of them in. And then we got this spacer that goes on here. Bolt goes through. And we're back in business. So, figured to make a quick little video. Anybody else is in a pinch and you need a pulley, a lot of these can be rebuilt by replacing the bearing like I just did. Alright guys, have a good one.